Hey, I'm gonna show you how to disassemble the L96 AWP airsoft sniper rifle, and just gonna show you how to disassemble it to like how it came into the box, not completely down. But I'll make a video of how to just completely disassemble it part by part some other time. But here we go. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start by go ahead and like taking off all the extras like the scope and the strap and the bipod. So I'm gonna take off this strap here and up here too. And first of all, before you do this all, the clip down here, right down here, yeah, you know what it is. Go ahead and take that out, because make sure there's no ammo in your gun. So you gotta make sure that that's empty, and make sure there's no ammo in the gun. So go ahead and take off the scope. Now I brought over some tools that you will need. So here's what you'll need. You'll need a set of Allen wrenches, standard or metric. And I have a standard set with me. And you'll need, well, this is optional, but one of those little tiny screwdrivers. And I'll show you, it's optional right here. Right here at the scope rings. So if you want to unscrew the scope, if you think you'll feel safer, go ahead. But I'm not going to, so I'm just going to go ahead and unscrew the scope rings. And slide the scope off. Go ahead and set that off to the side. And now you got your gun here with no scope. So what next you're gonna do is, if you want to, you can just take this whole brick off. What I like to do, I like to, sorry, it's kind of hard to hold the camera. Show you guys first. I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew it from the brick down there, the tactical rails, so it can slide right off. Oh, it's kind of hard. Give me a second, you really gotta unscrew this one. Oh, God. There we go. And just set that off to the side with your scope, like that. Now, to take the brick out, you know, just this little button right here. Push it. And pull the brick out. So I'm going to do that off camera so it's easier. Try and point out there. Hold on. Alright, so you got your brick out now. The tactical rail brick. It goes right up front. There you go. Now you see, there's the gun. No extras, no nothing on it. So now, you're gonna take off, you're gonna separate the body from the barrel by, there's a hole right there. It's kind of fuzzy, but there's a hole right there. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab your Allen wrenches, because there's little Allen screws down there. And you gotta find the right size. And for my standard one, I think I'm gonna use 3/16. Let me see this one. Hold on. Yep, 3/16. Oh. Alright, now go ahead and unscrew these, the front one. Do about 2 or 3 turns, but don't unscrew it completely. Now do 2 or 3 turns on the back one. Oh. Okay, now go back up to this one, and you know, just alternate between them so you don't snap the barrel. Keep alternating. until it comes off. Okay. And the Allen wrench, the Allen screw will go tight when you know that you're unscrewed. So go ahead and pull on it, not too hard. Now I gotta get the back one a little bit more. There you go. Okay. So, pull on it. Sorry about that. Pull on it. And I'm gonna put that on the camera. Pull on it. And it should come out just like that. Alright, so let me put these right next to each other and then I'll pick up the camera. Okay, so you see now, this is the barrel and the loading system, and the trigger's down here too, with the little box. And then here is the chassis, the body, and so you can see the trigger comes out with it because it's on there. So don't be afraid because you're gonna break the trigger. And now, if you want to go ahead and like take off the chin rest and stuff, just find the right size Allen wrench. And let me see if I can find it. It should be the same size as like the other one. Yeah, as that you use to disassemble the gun. And just pull these screws out, set them aside, make sure they're right next to each other. Okay, and same for the butt. Well, now you just pull the chin rest and set it out. And you got these two holes right there where the chin rest goes in, and the two holes where the screws go in. Now for the butt, same thing, 2 Allen wrench screws. So I think it'll be the same size. Let me see here. Yep. Let me try and get it into the camera view. Okay. Let me loosen it up a little bit so it's easier to hold the camera. Beautiful. Alright, now just unscrew these both. Go ahead and put it down like this. See if we can see that. Comes out. There should be a washer on there, so be careful. Just set it over wherever you need it to be. Now get the bottom. Oh. I accidentally tightened these way too tight. That's my fault. Don't do that. Same thing with the back. And it's going to start falling off. Keep screwing till the screw falls out. And there you go. So you got the weight in there, and your butt stock, chassis, barrel, chin rest, scope, bipod, and tactical brake. And I'll make a video later showing you how to assemble it. Bye.